Hello again, my loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. I have since got all these page kits all mixed up. None of them are all together anymore. But this was layout number 5. Or 5. So, we're going to do this photo of... This was the first time that I met the girls, and this was Sheila's Colors last year. So we have Jean. Jamie's taking the picture. Laura, Linda, Vicky. Is that... I don't know, I can't tell them all back there. I think it's Sam, then CJ, then Nancy, then me, then Fran. But I could have... I don't know. I could have them backwards. So we do have a whole bunch of fun crafty stuff. Like lots of crafty stuff in this one. So we'll just have to figure it out. Apparently I put all of the paper in here, huh? Alright, what do we have? We've got some leaves. None of it fits in there. All kinds of chipboard. I remember making this. I think this was like the first one I made. So that's fun. Okay. Uh-oh. I lost my G. All right. What are we gonna do? I actually kind of think I want to... So let's trim this down. I know I want to do that. And then we'll layer up everything behind it, right? Just get that on there because you gotta start with what you know. Okay. All right. And then we'll get that stuck down there. And then I was kind of thinking we could just, you know, get this layered up something like that. I say we'll go for it. I'm liking that configuration. Grab some washi tape. And hopefully that will keep it Uh-oh. Well, that didn't work out the way that I planned. All right. Alright, give me a minute. I gotta sort some stuff out. We'll be right back. Alright, so this is what we've got. This, I didn't want to go crooked, and it did, and I didn't realize it. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck it like that. And we're gonna get this stuck down over here, but we're going to do some of these. I guess this is, oh, this is like washi tape. Okay. Well, that's just lovely. Okay. Let's stick that there. Maybe we should make a giant shaker out of this. Do we have any green? That's got a lot of green in it, but I don't want the blue. Let's see. What am I looking for, you guys? I like. There we go. We'll use that up. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So this requires some fancy taping. Okay. And we're going to stick this right down there. And then we're going to cut this piece off. So we could maybe use that for mini shakers. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So I do hope you guys are having a lovely day. This is just part of my using up my stash because I got way too much going on. I have no idea where I got this strips of foam from. Why is that not sticking? Okay, so that's not gonna work. Alright, while I find some other foam, give me a minute. I'm gonna create this shaker and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what we've got going on. Add a few more little fun things around the page. Okay. This I'm not really happy with, but we're gonna go with it. Put some little wordy bits in there because it's not quite sticking. We're going to get these little dots in here. I like these little arrow guys because we got an arrow here. And there. Got the pencil. And you guys, I actually think that's gonna do it for today. So I really like this layout. I think this one's really fun and interesting. We've got all kinds of little added bonuses. Let's go ahead and add some adhesive there and there and hope that it just stays nice and stuck down. Alright, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Bye for now.